Power Trick or Trade. Alright, I'm doing a video review on Goldman Sachs 200% gains in 3 days in large options through my detailed plan. Now here, see, I posted this January 22nd in Goldman Sachs plan inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let's take a look at the plan. Okay, so here I open up the plan and I said that Goldman Sachs is set up to test 273 to 279. The February 18, 265 calls could be used. And then I explained what GS needs to do, and I've posted the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades. Now you can see at the time, these were what the options cost. However, this confirmed a few days later. So let's go take a look at what I said. Let me close this up right now. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here we are in Goldman Sachs confirming in with the February 16, 265 calls at 420. I said this is a bit early, but I like the price and power and setup. You can wait for a break over 263 to 263.5 to get in. Options will cost 450 to 460. I for one got in even a little earlier than this. My average is really $315, but for the confirmation point, I did post $420 per option, and we're going to take a look at, as you can see, this is on the 24th. On the 29th, don't forget we have the weekend. GS still moving up higher, but I want to do the review. From my entry point, I did gain 200%. Let me show you. All right, before I show you the closing price for Goldman Sachs, as you can see here, how to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. Well, you go on my Power Trick or Trade. You want to be a follower of Power Trick or Trade, number one. Number two, you want to study what this video explains. It explains how to be a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. You should listen to the video. A lot of great, powerful things. My followers, you'll hear the story. I'm not gonna rehash it. Let's go take a look at the options. Alright, so today the market was very choppy and down on January 29th, but Goldman Sachs closed at 272.48, close to one of my targets already. Alright, now February 16, let's take a look here to 265 calls, and you can see they are worth $1,000, and well, depending on, we'll say the average is about a close of $1,050. So $1,000. So for my entry, around 315, but we'll say for the 420, so if you double that, you're looking at close to about 150% gains depending on where you entered this. 150 to 200% gains in the Goldman Sachs. As you can see, I posted a detailed plan and Goldman Sachs did deliver and actually can go even higher, but I wanted to just make this video review here for people to see what I'm about. As you can see, inside of PowerGroupTrades, I post great detailed plans. I do post some stuff on Power Trick or Trade. You want to be a follower, listen to what I'm telling you to do, and you'll be able to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. Powerful videos to inspire you. All right, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. I always tell people, you want to subscribe to this channel, you can do so manually. You can just open up a YouTube account, subscribe manually. I'm going to show you an easy way to do so right inside this video. At the same time, you want to study my created playlist. So, become a follower. If I'm going to show you, you're going to see a picture of me in a circle format. You'll click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. It's going to be right inside this video. I'm going to show you as I'm going to give you a message. You get to hear me speak to you one-on-one now. Let's see what I say. Power Trick or Trade here with a great reminder. I always tell people, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, but also make sure to watch this created playlist. My created playlist, you'll find it at the bottom of the page of the YouTube channel. A wealth of great information, people. And if you don't have a YouTube account, I suggest you get one and subscribe manually. But if you have one, I'm going to show you easily to subscribe right inside this video. People, we've been making amazing, great, detailed plans. You want to study and also come to my live streams that I try to do mostly on Wednesday and any other time I announce it. That's why you want to subscribe to. You want to follow me on Twitter, and you want to find out how to become a serious follower on PowerGroupTrades. But it's important. People, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And at the end of the video, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.